Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome Collective. Welcome new subscribers. Returning Istam buyers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung hindi niyo pa sa mga mahal, mayroon pa po tayong other channel. Link ay down below sa description box ng reading na i-take. Kaya naman if interested, just click that link para kayo mapunta there. At araw-araw, nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. No? So now we're gonna take no kung sino yung kumukonek sa inyo very strongly sa inyong energy, no? So, let us see what this person here, no, ay niisip sa'yo, no? Or ano rito yung mga possible plans or movements niya dito here for you guys. Let us see. Just take only what resonates. We do not have any gender. And if may specific person na gusto dito, no, na makuha yung energy nun, no? Pwede kayong mag-concentrate, no? Set your intentions, no? While I'm doing the shuffling, no? So, let us see. Wala rin tayo ditong gender ba, lalaki, LGBT. Just take only what resonates. Archangel Michael, Angel Guides, thank you so much for always being present sa reading ni Collective. Thank you so much for giving us your guidance, messages. Thank you. Can we get messages about this energy connecting to collective is strongly? Who is this person writing here? Reveal what this person's feelings and thoughts para kay collective. Collective, you can set your intentions. You can also pause this video for a while so that you can concentrate and resume back na lang if tapos na kayo na mag-concentrate. Lalo na yung iba, ang daldal mo kasi miss yan. Ituloy kayo makapag-concentrate. Eh, kaya nga i-pause nyo. Okay. So we have here this Three of Coins in reverse position. You know what I'm picking up right in here? Let me see the bottom of the deck for this one. Okay, yeah. Look at that. Okay. This is the energy here of someone, no? There's also other energy sa paligid niya dito, no? Actually, yeah, I just heard I love you. Yeah. This person right in here could be telling his or her friends, his or her family how much he or she loves you. Okay? Hindi niya ito sinasabi directly sa inyo. Pero this person here is telling them, no, yung mga tao sa paligid niya rito, how much he or she loves you. Yeah. And whoever, yeah. We're hearing that, no, Mr. Pure Energy's song. I remember so well the day that you came into my life. Yeah, so whoever this energy is, pwedeng kinikwento niya rin dito at naaalala niya ng malinaw na malinaw yung unang beses kung paano kaya nagkakilala, no? But look at that, the Three of Coins is in reverse, feeling helpless, feeling here hopeless as well. But this person here na is someone who is admitting, I love collective, mahal ko si collective, pero hindi niya to sinasabi sa'yo kundi sinasabi niya ito 'no, sa whole world 'no, sa paligid niya, sa family niya, sa parents niya, sa pinsan niya, kamag-anak niya, sa best friends niya, sa close friends niya, sa kanyang mga katrabaho na palagi niya dito nakakasalamuha, nakakasama 'no, kay except sa'yo. Okay, maybe you are in separation with this person, let us see. Tell me more about this. Someone who's getting emotional, someone who is admitting minamahal ka niya, pero hindi niya yan sinasabi sa'yo. But this person here is telling the whole world around him or her, no, how much he or she loves you. Diba? And kung hindi ako nagkakamali, no, doon sa song na yun, ni Mr. Pure Energy, diba? How much I love you. Diba? So, may ganong klase ng energy. Okay. Malinaw niyong naaalala yung first time na nakita ka niya, nagkakilala kayo. We have here the Six of Swords. Four of Cups in reverse position. Ooh. Ace of Wands. Six of Coins. Death energy. Definitely, you're in separation with this person right in here now with the death energy. We have here the Three of Swords. So much pain. There's heartache. This person's heartbroken. Now we've got here the Magician energy, center of the reading together with the Ace of Wands. Emperor. Eight of Coins. Bottom of the deck, we've got the Five of Coins. Definitely, you could be blocking this person here. Blocking the communication, Ace of Swords energy, King of Coins. Okay, medyo nagre-reflect siya. So, ilalagay na lamang natin sa gitna itong King of Coins. Let me... Because I feel like I was about to cry. This person here is too emotional though. So kung sino man siya, this person here could be telling his or her friends, his or her family, the close people in his or her lives, no, how much he or she loves you, no. And others sa kanila, no, is crying while telling them how much kanya kamahal. Okay? It looks like naiiyak siya habang kinikwento niya kung paano kayo nagkakilala, anong nangyari sa inyong relationship. This person here is missing you. And this person here is telling that he or she loves you. And I'm seeing no that that is the truth. If this person here is telling these people kung gaano kanya kamahal, well, hindi siya nagsisinungaling because nakita ko dito that this is the truth. Ace of Swords energy, and this is very evident right in here. May paninindigan dito sa kanyang salita. Emperor's energy, Eight of Coins. If mabibigyan lang ako ng pagkakataon na muli rito maibalik ang aming samahan ni Collective, gagawin ko ang buo kong makakaya para hindi na ito muling masira pa. This person is super willing to have a second chance here with you guys, or to have another chance here with you guys. No, definitely this person here wants you to open ang iyo rito, no, na sarili again sa kanya. This person feels too weak, trying to move on from you guys, trying to get away from this emotions, from these feelings of sadness, nostalgia. But look at that, no? Sa lahat ng mga Three of Swords energy, ito yung energy talaga na yung puso talaga dito mga babes. So, tingnan mo yan. Diba? Very broken-hearted, very in pain. This person here is experiencing a lot of heartaches right now. Parang yun na lang yung way niya, yung ikwento ka niya sa iba. Sa parehas ng mga taong makakilala ninyo. So, na-meet mo na yung parents niya, na-meet mo na yung mga friends niya. For the friends, I'm picking up the circle of friends since high school or college or elementary days, no, during his or her school days, or even his or her coworkers that you have met already. Okay? And hindi siya dito napapagod. This person here do not get tired of telling the story again and again to these people. No? And for some reason, pagod na yung mata niya dito kakaiyak, no? Pero nakakaiyak talaga because you're in separation. That energy. Possible na nagbigay siya into a klase ng spark na hindi naman talaga lumago. So, pwedeng meron ditong third party interference because there's a missed opportunity na sana pwede raw baliktarin, no? Sana puwedeng baguhin, sana hindi na lang nangyari, no? So, maybe this person here, no, kasalanan niya rito, no, na posibleng nagbigay siya ng ibang atensyon, no, sa iba. I'm pertaining with the third party, third wheel energy. This person here is someone telling me that with the Emperor and Magician energy, this person here is praying to God, to universe right in here, to clear your mind, to somehow make you realize na bigyan siya rito ng another chance. Yes, with the Ace of Coins. Definitely, gusto niyang hingin rito yung another chance. And that is a missed opportunity. The King of Pentacles energy is an energy here of someone, that this person here, hindi ka niya rito malilimutan, no? This person here is someone, no, na mananatili ka raw sa kanya ritong heart and mind, no, sa lahat ng panahon. So, I do see that this person here, alam mo yung iba, I am getting this person here, pinipili niya na lang rito maging single for life. If hindi ka na babalik. And maybe you're hearing this right now and you're telling, "Oh, kilala ko yung guy na yan, miss yan." Or kilala ko yung woman na yan, miss yan. Hindi niya matitiis na wala siyang makamingle, no? Well, the energy of this person here, if this is your person, if I'm not mistaken, this person here is yes, no? You might be viewing this person here as someone who betrayed you, went to a third party situation, but somehow this is the bottom of the deck energy. So, ito yung energy niya rito, magiging energy niya rito, no? So, talagang nakikita ko rito, no, na hindi talaga siya rito makakagawang magmahal ng iba, no? And this person here, a lot of them will choose to be single, no? Tumanda na lang rito ng binata or dalaga, no? Or tumanda mag-isa, no? Without you in their life, no? Parang it's like a punishment, no? Sa kanilang sarili. And at the back of their mind, 'no, alam din nila na hindi rin sila makakapagbigay rito ng tinatawag na TL or true love, 'no, sa iba, okey, dahil hindi naman kayo yun. Yan, see? So, definitely this person right here is learning his or her mistake or fault, 'no, in a difficult or hard way. But whoever this energy is, 'no, believe it or not, it's the truth. Hindi niya magawang maiparating or sabihin sa inyo kasi baka isipin ninyo 'no, or hindi kayo maniwala na minamahal niya kayo rito. But I think yung mga kaibigan niya rito 'no, iba sa inyo may nakakarating na balita because there's news right in here, there are a lot of aces. May mga nakakarating na balita rito 'no, na minamahal pa rin kayo ni Collective, na umiiyak siya dahil hindi kayo magkasama or nalulungkot siya, nanghihinayang sa inyong nasayang na relationship 'no, kasi maaaring hindi kayo maniwala pero yes, this person here loves you. And para matulungan yung sarili niya rito 'no, na i-lift yung spirit niya or malabas yung kanya ritong mga, um, nararamdaman, sinasabi or kinukuwento niya ito sa kanyang mga friends, families, coworkers. And paulit-ulit niya itong kinukuwento. The story is always about you, about your relationship 'no, how it ended up, okay, and how na kasalanan niya kung bakit natapos. So definitely, this person here 'no, patuloy pa rin mangyayari ito, ikukuwento niya pa rin ito sa iba, patuloy niya pa ring sasabihin kung gaano ka niya kamahal. This person here is telling the whole world, his or her whole world, how much he or she loves you. Others of you, makakarating ang balitang ito sa inyo, okay? Others of you, you might not know this, but this is the truth. Universe is revealing me the truth about your person here, no, who act very immaturely in the past or way back then. This person here hurt you because of a spark, no, that he or she went into a third party situation, thought that the grass is greener on the other side, no, but it's not pala. So, I do see that this person here is now figured out niya na nagkamali siya, no, at ang importanteng bagay ang kanya ritong pinakawalan. Hmm. Okay. I do pick up that this person's eyes ay tired na talaga, pero hindi niya talaga mapigilang hindi maluha at hindi maiyak habang kinukuwento ng paulit-ulit na maybe naririndi na rin yung mga friends niya rito, "Pre, kalimutan mo na si Collective," or "Alam mo sis, tingin ko kailangan mo na mag-move forward," 'no. People keep on telling him or her 'no, with that Three of Coins in reverse 'no, to move forward na, to start his or her new life na, but definitely this person wants to stay. Stay in your memories. This person here, hindi siya dito nagiging emo. Naalala ko tuloy dati 'no, yung bangs papuntang side 'no, ganyan yung hairstyle ko, nung high school, eh. Yung bangs ko pa side yun mga babes, eh, 'no? So, yeah, maybe this person right in here, 'no, is someone nagiging emotional, and this person right in here, 'no, is someone dahil nabanggit ko yung bangs, puwedeng may bangs siya rito, no, girl, boy, LGBTQs, no? But, just take only what resonates, no? But this person here is someone na pinipili rito na manatili, 'no, sa past. Kasi nandudun kayo, eh. Are you getting what this person here is telling? Because in the past, when this person here tries to remember your story, you're there. 'Di ba? So, kung magkukuwento siya ng story about his or her future moving forward na wala kayo dun, wag na lang. Parang gano'n klase ng energy, 'no? So, yeah, I'm hearing that another song, 'no, parang, um, I opened my eyes and you were there. Parang you were everything I ever see. 'Di ba? So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, ikaw lang nakikita niya, even though it's just a part of his or her memory, okey lang. At least buhay kayo dun sa memories niya. You're together, okey? So, ayaw niya mag-move on. Yeah. Whew, someone's getting emotional, okey? Wala pa tayong Thursday, hindi pa 'to throwback Thursday. Tuesday pa lang, 'no? Pero itong person na 'to is definitely, 'no, nananatili siya, 'no, sa past kasi nandudun ka daw. You are everything. Beautiful song, 'no? So, I think you are everything with this person here, and nare-realize niya dito that you are really his or her everything. Okay, for the initials, capital letter D, capital letter T, we also have here capital letter N, capital letter R, and for the rest of the letters, we've got S, E, A, M, T. 'No, maaaring double yung T niya dito sa pangalan, may T na small, may T rin na big letters, we just take only what resonates. We also have here the letter F, andito rin ang letter K, and last but not the least, the letter B as in boy. So yeah, these are all the messages. Thank you so much again, I'm Mirana Ani, Sarang Love and Light, sweethearts. Yun lang.